Yeah. Excuse me, uncle. What is the time?
Oh baby, where do you go? Always playing with your tree. Go to hell.
A, B, C, D,
Morning from start.
E. F, G.
Didi, why we go to school?
We go to school for
We go to school for study and learning good things. But Nandu is not going to school. They are very poor. They have no money for school. We should help him. There are very poor children in our India. How will we help them? When you grow, you understand all the. You are late for school.
Yesterday work I full learn. Let's watch what they bring new. This is the time for coming, my friends.
Hi Nandu.
Hi.
Hi Nandu. In this book all have things.
Thank.
Nandu, you have learned the yesterday work.
Yes, I learn. Stop. We will late for our school.
We will listen in the evening.
Okay.
Today is my chance. Today is my chance.
Stop. First go to school, then after play. Harshit,
Let's come, go to school.
bye. I hope I study. My friend Tree, I will do hard work and be a successful man. My friends given me new things to read.
Nandu, what you are doing here?
I am talking with my tree.
What you talking with tree?
I am talking about study.
Come to home.
No, I can't come. I will stay. No.
Oh God, he is never improved. When you hungry, come to home.
Okay. Friend.
Hi Nandu.
Hi. Hello.
Hi Nandu.
Chuk. Ball.
Michael.
Yeah. Didi.
छूने वाली चल. थोड़ा आगे हो जाओ. Nandu, she is my sister. Yesterday came from England.
Hi, Didi.
Hi, Nandu.
And Didi, he is Nandu and this is that tree.
Oh, this is that. How do they become your friend?
Didi, it is same like us. He drink water also and give us many things.
And we also and never take from anything from us.
In sun, in rain, he is always with us. It gives us oxygen, food and many things.
I am also friend of this tree.
Yes, Didi.
Let's play! Yeah!
Yeah.
Today these children will leave yummy. Silence! Because of you, many people cannot do their work. Harshita, you also playing with children. Take the mandip and children go to home. I said go. Watchman.
Yes, sir.
Who has ordered you to come the children to the ground?
Sorry, sir. By mistake, all children come here and are listening to and fight.
Today these children be here and tomorrow his parents make here his home. I will be look. Get out. Sorry.
nonsense idiot Ankita for your mistake. Sir has angry with me and my partner.
I look you.
Come forward. Use.
Come forward.
Near the tree. सब लोग आगे आओ.
But Didi, Papa always call to us and never give us to play with the tree.
One day our Papa will be understand about tree and Nandu. Don't worry, Mandeep.
Rajiv, I have done the work. Hello. Rajiv, I have done the work. I have select the man who will done this for tomorrow early morning. We will cut this tree. Okay, bye.
What happened?
that Nandu and this tree will be not be here and tomorrow morning. Mandeep कहाँ गया?
Hell.
What? Uncle is cutting our tree? Yes. Listen friends,
Hello.
we will write about tree.
ओए क्या बोल रहा है?
Sagar. Stop. We will not write on this page. Do you know how much trees are cut for making a page? I have slate. Yes. We also have slate. We will write in slate.
रोहित पीछे देख।
We gon' do this.
Save tree.
पेड़ बचाओ,
पेड़ बचाओ. Save tree.
पेड़ बचाओ,
पेड़ बचाओ. Save tree.
पेड़ बचाओ,
पेड़ बचाओ. Save tree.
पेड़ बचाओ।
पेड़ बचाओ. Save tree.
नहीं क्या?
पेरेंट्स चाह रहे हैं कि उनके बच्चे यहाँ ना रहें।
कम टू बेटा कम
No.
बेटा
No.
चलो कम
और बच्चों का समर्पण कि वो पेड़ को छोड़ना नहीं चाह रहे हैं।
कम
वो इस पेड़ को छोड़ना नहीं चाह रहे हैं।
No. We will not go to home. Silence.
कम बेटा कम
This is very important to cut this tree. Yes, we will make your cabin for the watchman.
बस थैंक यू मैम।
This tree is very old. So many Indians is always with us.
What is the mistake of this tree?
This is very serious matter. We will be look.
जो चाहिए।
सब बंद कर दिया है। अभी पेरेंट्स की तरफ से एक और कोशिश होने वाली है उनको इस चीज से रोकने के लिए।
Take one piece. Take. Please take.
You know very well, trees are our best friends, so they can't leave him.
Is your favorite? What are you doing? I am only checking. Is this pure? Yes, I know. What are you doing? Okay, children, your hard work is successful and your all demands are granted. Now we will not cut this tree. You can play here. You can go to your home, sleep and take rest. Yay! Brother Nandu, why are you sad now?
I am thinking how much fast uncle agree with us.
Yes. I have an idea. We will not go to home. And we will sleep also here. Yes.
No, you go to home. If any problem, I will call to you.
Yes. Okay.
और बच्चों को अभी भी इस बात का भरोसा नहीं है कि पेरेंट्स उनकी बात मान गए। अब असली रूप आपके सामने है उन लोगों का जो कह रहे थे कि हम इस पेड़ को नहीं काटेंगे। यूज अदर माइक यूज.
Do fast as fast. This is very good time to cut this tree. There is no children and Nandu is also not here.
Uncle, what are you doing? Uncle, you promised to us.
I have do nothing promise.
Get out, yeah. Come here.
Get out. Get out.
Get out. Go.
Mandeep, Robin, Divyanshu, come all.
Nandu.
Friends, uncle cutting our tree.
But uncle, you had done promise that you will not cut this tree. It is very important to cut this tree. Insan is always. Uncle, if you want to cut this tree, firstly cut us.
और बच्चों ने पेड़ के साथ कटने का निश्चय कर लिया है.
Oh my God, I never.
बच्चे कह रहे हैं कि अगर आप इस पेड़ को काटेंगे तो पहले हमें काटिए, क्योंकि वो जानते हैं उसकी वैल्यू क्या है.
Oh my God, I never cut this tree.
Friends, we can't cut this tree.
आखिरकार
Our mistake.
इन लोगों को हार माननी पड़ी बच्चों के सामने.
It was our mistake. We will not cut this tree. Sorry, children.
Sorry, children.
Now we will not cut this tree. Now you can play here. Yeah!
Thank you. Thank you.
फास्ट.
सुप्रभात, मेरा नाम दीपांशु जेठी है. मैं कक्षा 5 के विद्यार्थी हैं. जैसे कि आप सभी ने यहाँ पर देखा कि हमने अपनी जान पर खेलकर पेड़ को कटने से बचाया. जैसे आप सभी ने देखा कि हमने इस पेड़ को कटने से बचाया, क्योंकि वो हमारे जीवन का मुख्य आधार है. मैं आपके समक्ष कुछ पंक्तियाँ प्रस्तुत करने जा रहा हूँ. हम क्या उगाते हैं जब पेड़ लगाते हैं? हम पानी का जहाज उगाते हैं जो समुद्र पार करेगा. हम मस्तूल उगाते हैं जो जिस पर पाल बंधेगी. धन्यवाद. आपका दिन शुभ हो. थैंक यू.
Thank you.